Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. Let's start our first lecture. This is chapter number one, data representation. Let me start from this point, that is how and why computers use binary. Because this is, you have to understand this binary, Binary. Beta, by mean two. Two mean zero and one. All kind of data that is represented in binary numbers, whatever the data is, that's if it is text mean, for example, hello word, just like that. Text or anything, files, audio files, video files, everything is supposed to be converted into binary 0 1 0 1 1 0. 0 I can call it off state, and 1 I can call it like on state. This is a very simple example. For example, if I give you an example right now, if you turn on the lights, the value will be 1. If you turn off the light, the value will be 0. That's so simple. Is that clear बेटा? चलें आगे चलते हैं. So let me tell you the examples how the computer use binary representation. Let me make different headings. Representation, binary representation. Binary, it uses only zeros and ones. 0 and 1, these are two bits. These are known as bits. Bits means binary digits. Binary digits. So if you can see this number 1001, so it makes sense. But right now, you won't be able to understand that. So it will be covered in next lecture, inshallah. So it makes sense. We can convert this into decimal number and hexadecimal number systems. Again, this will be covered in next topics. So right now we can call it number of bits. Number of bits. ठीक है बेटा? Clear? Any question? Okay, fine. So for example, when you type a, so it has a binary value. For example, so a has this value that is converted into binary data, right? So just like that, बाकी जो आपके करेक्टर्स हैं बी सी डी स्मॉल ए 1 2 3 हैश 0, all characters have different types of values in binary. ठीक हो गया बेटा? क्लियर? एनी क्वेश्चन? चलें आगे मूव करते हैं. So what happens next? Computer use binary to store the data. Storing data. Beta, what happens when you uh, type something, or when if you work, if you open some files, if you record something, then what happens? This data is stored somewhere in the computer components. For example, computer components, it can be your random access memory, it can be your hard disk drive, it can be your SSD and registers. बेटा ये डिटेल में हम आगे टॉपिक्स में करेंगे. व्हाट आर दीज डिवाइसेस, हाउ डज इट वर्क, राइट? सो what are the functions of all these devices? So the data is stored in different components of the computer, right? So in step 3, let me say process the data, processing the data. Beta, which component of the computer process the data? The big component, not in size actually, in working, CPU, central processing unit, that performs different types of function. It processes the data in binary using different types of logic gates. बेटा आपने परेशान नहीं होना. If you see what are these things, register, logic gates and so on, ये आपके नेक्स्ट टॉपिक्स में आएंगे. तो स्टेप बाय स्टेप इंशाल्लाह विल कवर एवरीथिंग, राइट? So CPU works and process the data using different types of logic gates and or not and so on, right? और बहुत ज़्यादा कम्प्लेक्स ऑपरेशन जो है ना, मोर कम्प्लेक्स ऑपरेशन कैन बी आल्सो परफॉर्म्ड बाय द ऑपरेशंस, कम्प्लेक्स ऑपरेशंस परफॉर्म्ड बाय द सीपीयू. ठीक हो गया बेटा? एनी क्वेश्चन प्लीज? So what happens after processing the data? The result would be displayed on output devices. It can be your LCD, it can be your LED speaker, and there are so many printer and so on. Output devices you have, right? Clear, beta? So this is how binary computers use binary numbers. Now, why computer use binary? Why computer use binary? ठीक हो गया बेटा? बेटा logically, binary is the simplest number system. It uses only two states because of the simplicity. It uses only two numbers, 0 and 1, only two states, on and off. Beta, you need to remember this. This is off and this is on, right? 1 mean on, 0 mean off. So these are two different states. A binary system requires fewer components and is less prone to errors. What are these errors? It's coming up. Beta, we can call it error detection and correction. If you can recall that we have done in chapter number 2, if I'm not wrong, error detection methods, parity check, checksum, and echo check, and ARQ, and something like that. Remember? ओके, बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम बेटा. बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम जो है, बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम that facilitate error detection and correction. using different types of methods, right? And ARQ, echo check, checksum method, parity check. Remember, beta, these are the method. So it makes sense. It makes integrity of the data. The data is correct and correctly transmitted to the other device. Number three, let me say physical representation. Physical representation. Physical representation means, beta, computer uses electrical signals to represent data. अब आपने कंफ्यूज नहीं होना, what are these electrical signals, right? Clear? So electrical signals 0 1 0 1 0 1 and so on, right? All A binary number system easily maps to the physical world of electrical engineering. For example, जीरो अगेन, थोड़ा सा और कंसेप्ट में क्लियर कर रहा हूँ बेटा. जीरो मीन ऑफ, आई कैन से लो वोल्टेज, इट्स अ सेम थिंग बेटा. ऑफ, ऑन, लो वोल्टेज, absence of voltage, this is zero. And one mean high voltage. Yes, high voltage. High voltage mean the value is one. High voltage, high voltage, high voltage, high voltage, this is off, so it has low voltage.